Hi, my name's Rick Lavender. I'm owner of Lavender Research, and I'd like to take a few minutes of your time to let you know why you need to be doing clinical trials with the pharmaceutical industry. This is an industry that spends over $20 billion a year doing clinical research at sites just like yours in order to get their drugs to market. I've been in this business for 20 years, and I can tell you when I conduct clinical trials, I always need new investigators. In this country, less than 10% of physicians participate in clinical trials. These are the reasons why I came up with Lavender Research. I needed to bridge the gap between the physician and the pharmaceutical company. Lavender Research is in the middle in order to educate you and provide you with the knowledge that you need to know to get started with the business. Let's talk about benefits. One of the benefits is there's no insurance companies involved. It's not allowed to happen on a clinical trial. And that's fine because you'd rather be getting your compensation from the pharmaceutical company than the insurance company. How about benefits to you? Well, financially there's a benefit, but also you get to work with the leading scientist in your therapeutic area. How about your staff? Your staff gets rejuvenated working in a new area. They also get to interact with the pharmaceutical companies and their personnel. But the real benefit is the patients. When you involve a patient in a clinical trial, you get to spend more time with them. How would that be? You get to run more tests. You get to run blood work. You get to do other diagnostic testing. All this is paid for by the pharmaceutical company at no cost to you. In fact, your patients even get compensated for their time. As far as compensation to you and your clinic, I've made payments anywhere from $3,200 per patient all the way up to $36,000 per patient on a clinical trial. I've also worked with sites that supplement their business with clinical trials and have made over $100,000 a year doing that. I also know clinics that gross over $1 million doing clinical trials. But let me make it perfectly clear. It's up to you how far you want to go with this and how involved you want to be. But there's two things that you need to know about. One, I am not trying to get you to stop doing what's made you successful. I'm asking that you supplement your practice with doing clinical trials. The second thing, and probably the most important thing, is patient safety. I've never been involved in a trial where patient safety was an issue, but it's always the number one concern. I concentrate on phase 2, 3, and 4 studies, and these are your safer studies. So, what do you need to do to get involved with the pharmaceutical companies? Well, the Lavender Research Seminar is a terrific tool because it will teach you everything you need to know about the business from A to Z. You'll need to know about regulatory documents that need to be collected and submitted. You'll need to know about IRBs. You'll need to know about negotiating contracts and budgets. You'll need to know how to set up your office. You'll need to know about advertising. And these are all things that would be new to you if you've never done clinical trials. Lavender Research will tell you how this gets done. If you come to a seminar, there are only 40 seats available at each seminar, and I do that because I want to have a one-on-one relationship with you in the teachings of these tasks. So that's an important factor to me. But more important is you can look at my agenda on the website and see what you can learn, but there's a phone number there, and I need you to call that number and call me so we can talk about the possibilities of you getting involved in clinical research. The rewards are tremendous for you, your staff, and your patients. Thank you.